Hey there, young coders. Get ready to master the joystick with our latest activity, Menu L209. It's all about bringing your Python projects to life with some joystick magic. Head over to Menu L209. New to our kit? No problem. Our menu navigation video will turn you into a menu whiz in no time. Give that joystick a press and watch as the app wakes up with a helpful message. Too eager to start? Just press the joystick to the left to skip ahead. Now, it's time to play. Move the joystick up, down, or right, and watch the display respond to your command. It's like having a conversation with your code. Ready to wrap up? Just a quick flick to the left on the joystick, and you're back to the main menu. Wondering how we do it? Python coding is the secret ingredient, and we're sharing a glimpse of it with you. If you're itching to code, our simulator is your new best friend. It's ready for you on your laptop, anytime, anywhere. Need a little guidance? Our AI chatbot coding companion is on standby to help you through your coding journey. Join us at http://hoginitoys.com for all the coding resources you'll need. Let's take the first step towards becoming Python masters together. Congratulations! Remember, with our Shogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Shogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.